Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value in Greeley. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Evans, Colorado, just 3 miles from the Freight Train Museum, this hotel offers a game room complete with billiards and ping pong. Guest rooms include free Wi-Fi. Featuring cable TV, each room with attached bathroom at America's best value in Greeley is equipped with a microwave and fridge. Comfortably furnished, all rooms include a seating area and desk. A picnic area complete with barbecue facilities are available at the Greeley America's Best Value Inn. Vending machines offering beverages and snacks are located on site. The University of Northern Colorado is 2.5 miles from this hotel. Evans City Museum is a short walk away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.